Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing these. These are the extra special range. We've got the shepherd's pie here, extra special range. And it says it's got the extra mature crumbled cheese, so give that one a go, with a creamy buttery mash. So that sounds very nice. And then we've got the cottage pie, which is enriched with an Italian red wine. Now, for those of you who don't know what the difference is, a cottage pie is beef, and a shepherd's pie, as you probably know, is lamb. So we'll give these a go and see what they're like. My money's probably on the cottage pie, probably tasting better, but we will see. So there we go, people. Let's try it off with the shepherd's pie, shall we? So it's obviously the lamb in that one. You've got the rich ragu sauce apparently in this one. So let's give this a go. Got a thick gravy in that, like the ragu sauce. Got creamy mash on top. Got the veg in there as well, as you can see. Let's give it a go, see what it's like. It's okay. It isn't nothing special. A bit, the top's quite fancy on it. I've had better school dinners, if I'm honest. Yeah, wouldn't buy that again. Shepherd's pie, nah. Let's try the cottage pie, see what that's like. You can see there. Now the cottage pie says here, let's have a look. It says prepared with tender British beef and a gravy-rich sauce, splash of Italian red wine. Now I think this is the one I think is going to be nice. Let's give this a go. Can't beat a bit of beef, can you, really, to be honest with you? I don't think I'm a fan of lamb after that. It's quite loud, it looks very beefy, look. It's very dark, rich. Smell the wine on it, it smells nice. Let's give that a go, look at that. Give this one a go. Yeah, that's the one to go for. Cottage pie, shepherd's pie, rank. Cottage pie, nice. Buy that again. This one wins. That's my review.